What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street. Today we have another episode of the Getting Dressed series where I get dressed step by step, talk a little bit about my outfit decisions and how I make outfits rather than just showing you the complete outfit so you guys can learn and maybe take something away from it. Today we're going to take a look at Doc Martens. I love Doc Martens. I've always been a fan. It actually took me really long until I bought my first pair, but I want to talk a little bit about how you can style them that is not what you first think of when you think Doc Martens. I think to me, Doc Martens is automatically like super ripped jeans, grungy, rugged. I think they can be a great boot and they can even be a little bit classy. So we're not gonna go all the way classy. I'm not gonna wear them with a suit, but I'm gonna show you how I would wear them a little bit more casually. I wanna say casual rather than elegant, but just not super grungy. So let's take a look at what's happening today. Here are the boots. I have 3 pairs in my closet right now. I chose to show you the brown ones with the yellow laces, very classic Doc Martens with the contrast yellow stitching. Something I wouldn't necessarily go for with Doc Martens. It kind of just works because the logo is yellow, so it just ties that in. And that's the boots we're gonna look at today. I started with a pair of 5-pocket cotton pants from Paige. So not jeans, not ripped, and not chinos, something in between, a little bit more casual, super slim in that natural tone. And you see that I tied the laces around my ankles. I really only do that with Converse and with Doc Martens. I think it's a cool look. So we're starting off with very natural earth tones and keeping that thing going. The shirt I'm wearing right now, it's from John Elliott. It's a long sleeve oatmeal colored shirt with the speckles in there. Focus should kick in any second. Oh, there we go. All right, so the fabric is really nice looking to me. It's definitely like pretty interesting playing with the tuck here. I think it's not necessarily worth exploring all that much more. But then we have a suede trucker jacket from Mango. If you didn't see my recent Mango Man haul, then check that out. That is one of the pieces that I recently picked up from there, and it's beautiful, super soft, a little bit stretchy, nice and slim, and a gorgeous color. So as you can see, I'm really going for the earth tones here. If you watch my channel, you probably know that I really like earth tones altogether. Flipping up the cuff here, just to show off a little bit of the long sleeve sweater at the end of it, but decided that is not such a great look. And then adding a few accessories. I have my Breitling on. Highlight here is the brown leather strap that ties into the outfit. And I have a couple of rings. Not going completely overboard. Once again, trying to keep it a little bit more casual rather than super grungy. And a couple of bracelets, a Louis Vuitton bracelet and a bracelet from M. Cohen. If you didn't see my accessories video yet, that's another one you can check out. Link right here. Then I added a necklace. The necklace I'm wearing right now, I have no idea where I got this anymore. I think it was at a vintage. I actually think it was at Buffalo Exchange. It was secondhand, so no idea where it's from. I like it. It has a brown leather strap. Once again, tying the brown in. And then we have 2 options for shades. One from Ryan, which are these right here, a little crooked. There we go. I like them. Obviously the brown tone ties in, but they're a little bit too clean. These Ray-Bans work a lot better for me. They're just a little bit more casual, a little bit younger, hipper than the others, I think. I tend to wear the Ryans a lot with suits. But I wanted to test out what it would look like if I broke that all-natural color pattern a little bit with these light wash H&M jeans, also very slim fit, so I'm not really changing the silhouette. I'm happy with that, but I wanted to see what it looked like with jeans. Honestly, a great look too. I think it's a little bit more boring, like a little bit more normal, so I decided to hop back into the all-earth tone. I love playing with color, like I said. I love that color palette. And in general, I just love playing with monochrome looks, so obviously there's different shades of brown, but at the end of the day, they were all brown tones, and that's the look. I hope you guys like it. I have a little bit of a video for you guys coming up in just a few seconds, literally by the end of the sentence, to show you what the outfit looks like in motion. Once again, I hope you liked it. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you got a little bit of an inspiration from it in terms of styling Doc Martens. If you want to see a lookbook, I think I already want to do one because like I said, I have 3 pairs. I would like to style them a few different ways and show you the range that we can really accomplish with a pair of Docs. But let me know in the comments down below if that's something you'd like to see. Otherwise, leave your comments and thoughts on the outfit, on Docs in general. Let's just start a conversation. I thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Probably usually 2-3 days till the next video. Until then, stay dapper, guys. Bye.